Today I'm making a spinach and feta stuffed salmon. First, dice the onion and mince the garlic. Over medium heat, add the olive oil, then the onions, and saute about 3 to 4 minutes till translucent. Add the garlic and cook about 30 more seconds. Add the spinach, cook till wilted, about another 30 seconds. Add the feta cheese and cook about a minute till it starts to melt. Holding the salmon on its side, cut lengthwise to create a pocket. And begin filling it with the stuffing. Drizzle each with the olive oil and sprinkle with salt and pepper. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Bake on 400 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes till flaky. Thanks for watching.